So I was starting off with a little bit of a couch stretch. Kind of focus on keeping the knee behind the hip. That's why we're using something to help hold you up so you can lean forward a little bit and really try and push the hip forward. I tried to here, you can't quite see it in this angle, get the knee back as far as I can rather than just focusing on getting upright and getting knee flexion and getting close to a wall or whatever you're resting your foot on, actually pushing the hips through forward. Spending a couple of minutes here, I'm pulsing, squeezing the glute, contracting the abs at the same time. When I do those things, the front of the hip stretches a lot more, opens up. So we're using those techniques, and then adjusting the front leg as well so the pelvis changes position. Maybe you can straighten that front leg out a little bit or take it a little wider. You can see I'm reaching for my ribs, trying to pull my ribs down at the top, which makes things a lot worse or better in the front of the hip, depending on what you're feeling and what you associate with that feeling. But yeah, this is a really good one we use with all our athletes. We try and really go after hip extension, or at least make sure that they have adequate for their sport. I like using the tool at the back there to rest your foot on, so that you can kind of windshield wipe your hips side to side a little bit and catch sort of inside and outside. So once you're done, switch over. As I say, you don't have to. You can use a dowel, but I like using a box or a block, something to hold yourself up and sort of take the pressure off, make it a little easier. As you get looser and more advanced, you might not need that and be able to just straighten yourself up and press into positions without it. But for me, it allows me to relax and actually focus the stretch and get more of an intentional stretch in the proximal